ever wondered what is the significance of a baker's rack? Well, let me just share with you my opinion. I find it to be an additional accessory to the home. A place where you can add all of your baking goods or create such a wonderful scene for people entering into maybe your back door or part of your kitchen. To me, it's just an extra piece of furniture that I can use to share with you guys my imagination, my creativity, and to add some beauty and life to the kitchen area. Not necessarily the dining area, but the kitchen area. Although it could be a part of your dining area, it just happens to be what you see when you enter my home. So if this is something that interests you, please stick around and let me share with you how I have put this together. Okay guys, I present to you the baker's rack as it is. So let's get started decorating. I've added that gorgeous little scallop tray, and that's one that I shared with you guys in a recent haul. I'm layering it with those beautiful black and white pumpkins that are also dainty and elegant. Here I've added in some of my white accessories such as canisters and pictures, and this is to just elevate this space to give it life. You see, I've placed that lovely painting up top with those beautiful sconces, and guys, remember what those sconces look like. They may change. So I'm going to let you continue to watch this through the music, and I will be back later to share with you guys all that I have done in creating such a lovely space. But here I've added a little bonus. I've made an arrangement of flowers using these gorgeous roses from Walmart. Absolutely beautiful. That's my bonus to you guys. Thank you so much. And first I want to say I do welcome you and I thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you've enjoyed how I put this together, but prior to the reveal, I'm going to show you, I want to say thanks. And for those of you that are new, I welcome you into my home, welcome you as part of the family. I would love to have you as part of the family as I do all things dealing with my home decor, whether it's on the outside or the inside. I love making my home beautiful, and that I love sharing with you guys. So if this interests you and you want to be a part of the family, just make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you tap the notification bell. That is the little drop down button, and you choose all. That is the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos. I have I think 2 more fall videos. One will be for my front porch and the other will be the home tour. So turn that bell on so you don't miss that. And so I'm gonna let you go ahead and see the reveal of how I put this all together. And let me just go over a few things with you as we do that. Hey guys, thanks so much for hanging in with me to this point of the video where it is reveal time. And we're going to start right here with this beautiful canvas art. Absolutely love it for this space. I've placed these little flowers here, and they're just little stems of flowers, roses, with that greenery that pokes through. It gives us for a nice little vignette created by using the art and the flowers. But we're not stopping here. I've added in these sconces, and those sconces, remember back in the beginning I said, remember these? Yes, I painted them black. I thought the black would work much better with what I was actually going for with the rest of the accessories that I'm using. These little candles, these have the little rosettes on them, and I purchased these from those candles from Michael's back in the spring and summer when they have like their 50% off sale. I am an elephant lover, so I do try to stick one here and there. Right here in the center, I just doubled these dinner plates and added those little smoky gray pumpkins there. And the little face that I've added those flowers in, perfect. We have the black and the white. We're going down to the next layer. This little white canister. You can use it to maybe put in some little snacks, something you may not want your kids to have, some little baking goods, just whatever you want to use it for. And then these little pumpkins in the tray. I described those to you earlier. But isn't that tray, that scallop tray, absolutely a beautiful piece? I've added in some little acorns that are very dainty. And then next I have this little vase or pitcher, however you want to use it. And it has a little flower leaves on it for the fall. And I just thought I'd add this little pick and just to also work again with the way that I have my living room style. I'm pulling it all together room by room, bit by bit. So guys, I hope you will enjoy all that I've done for you guys. I hope I've given you some ideas, some tips, some tricks, some motivation to continue to decorate your home just by adding little things for the fall. Now this bed I've added in is garland, and I've added in those black and white trays. Those are some that I picked up from I think TJ Maxx. And then I added this little ginger jar in here. I am just loving the way that this is looking. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to check that to set that notification bell so you can come back and see the rest of my fall home tour. Now I was saving this little pumpkin patch for you because I wanted you to see those pumpkins are absolutely beautiful, and those are some that I purchased from Amazon. And if I can find a link, I will leave them in my description box below. But thanks so much for watching. Be blessed and take care. And until the next video, I'm your lovely host here, Gigi Faison. Thanks a bunch, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and happy fall, y'all.